Here we have a Toyota Vellfire, which is the same as the Alphard AH20. It's a 2010 model, so we're going to be taking the stereo out. So if you have a look here, what we do with the shift lock, we just push the button there, so we can just move the gear stick down to neutral, and then we unscrew the gear knob. Just get that out of the way. So just open up the ashtray, and this whole trim has to come off. So you do it from the bottom and then take it from the top. So just grab it from the bottom here. Just get a trim remover tool just to help it. So that's the fascia completely off. There's a little plug here, so we just undo the plug. So that's out. Let's just get that out of the way. And now we're just going to get the stereo off. So the heater controls here are just clipped on, so we just lift it off. So that could be unplugged. And this is surround that surrounds the stereo, so we could unclip that all off. So and what you have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're just going to get them off. So the stereo completely comes out, and this way just unplug everything on the back of it. This stereo has an earth attached to the side of the body. And there you go. So that's the stereo completely removed on this Toyota Vellfire.